Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A dangerous situation is unfolding in Sandybank, Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth. Residents point to several sinkholes which pose a threat to life and property. Shamela Pullen has the details.
Something abnormal is developing in Sandybank, Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. Residents point to this hole, which they say has been expanding over a period of time.
It's getting bigger.
I have a farm over the other side, and in 3 day time, water like a drum height, in 3 day time, down, and it's the same stream. There's a well over that side. When all of these space full, it just down in a hit and less than on time. It's gone, you know. So it's a bottomless ground. This.
They use stones to demonstrate the depth.
When it splashes under there, it splashes like it is the sea. You know when the sea is rough and bouncing on the reef? That's how it sounds. The same sound that we found it. We were standing here, a group of us. While we were standing, you could feel the tremor. The earth was vibrating when it splashes down there. So we are not sure what's going on under there.
This is an area which people use daily as a shortcut. But based on the likely danger, they may have to use other routes.
It's a district where it's a shortcut instead of going around the 3 mile. This is just half mile.
I've walked this road many times. A lot of time I am walking because if you notice, this road is kind of long and lonely. And if I am walking here in the night and some vehicle is coming, then I would jump over the same very climb over here, you know, to dodge the light. So when I learned of this hole Sunday week ago, you know, I was very devastated.
A sinkhole is a hole that forms in the ground when the soil and rocks wash away, and there is nothing underneath the ground anymore to support it. Head of the Mona Geoinformatics Institute, Dr. Paris Leowai says St. Elizabeth is known for sinkholes.
This shouldn't be something that nobody's ever seen before. It's just never seen it like this happening in front of your eyes. That's a different thing. Now, these holes can expand naturally as more and more water flows into it, or there is more collapse happening, so it becomes progressively wider. There is no way to stop it.
Dr. Leowai is advising residents to exercise caution in the area.
The cracks in your walls are the first signs. Your house, your tiles started to pop up in a different way that, you know, that's weird. Something's happening. You see certain cracks in the roadway or the driveway or something like that. Those are important. You see things water starting to flood in a different way than it's never used to flood like that before. When you plow a field and you clear a field and you take all the bush and you throw it into the hole in the ground and you block the sinkhole, all of these things are risks that you're putting yourself into.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.